In this video, we're going to look at the English word study workflow. Therefore, go to the main menu, click Guides from the menu, and type in English word study. Once you see English word study in the workflow menu, go ahead and click that menu option. I'm going to expand this to the right to give us a little more room. Now, the input box at the top left will only permit you to put in an English word. So let's go ahead and put in the word earth. In a few moments, Logos will generate a list to confirm what you're typing. In this case, earth. Notice we get earthen, earthquake, and earthenware. So if you're not quite sure how to spell that English word, you could put a portion of that word in the box, and Logos will generate some options for you. Let's go ahead and choose earth. Now, in this workflow, we have 7 steps. We'll, again, like we've done before, only identify those things that are unique to this particular workflow. As you can see, it's walking you through some introductory questions and guiding you through the process. So, choosing English words for a word study. Let's go to step 2, and it says, consider your expectations for a Bible word study. Notice this is just asking questions. Now, I have to stress, doing word studies based off the English will cause problems because sometimes the underlying Greek or Hebrew word is significantly different, even though it's the same English word. We see this with love and repentance, especially in the King James Version. But nevertheless, these are some really good observation questions to be asking. Let's go to step 3, look up your word in dictionaries. Now, Logos has provided dictionaries, so you can look this up, and some of these will link you back to the Greek and Hebrew word. So this is a great way to move you and help you become more comfortable with the original language. Notice also you do have the topic guide integrated as well. And there are some note-taking questions down below. Let's go to number 4, survey the usage of your chosen English word. The purpose of this step is for you to determine the range of meaning based on the passages you're looking at. This is really important because context ultimately determines the word meaning, but word meaning can change a little bit from context to context. Let's go to step number 5, research the senses of the word. Now here, Logos has taken the English word and linked it to the senses lexicon. This can be very powerful. Notice that the other additional words do appear here, such as earthquake, earthenware. But I do appreciate Logos bringing in humankind, earth, so that we understand what sense of earth we're speaking to. Are we talking about the planet, or are we talking about the people on the planet? Very helpful. If you click more, you can see the additional options there. With each of these senses, if you click the triangle, you'll get a list of the underlying Greek and Hebrew words and all the associated verses. So be aware that this is a great link to do Bible word studies. Now we can click on the Hebrew word or the Greek word, and we do so, the Bible word study report will open up. Now we can get very specific on what the underlying Hebrew or Greek word means. Let's click the X on the tab to close. Notice we can save this as a passage list, and this would grab all the words. Let me click to demonstrate what this will look like. Notice that Logos inserts the English word and then associates all the Bible verses. It is important to point out that Logos exports the whole list. So you will get other category titles such as earth finite, earthenware, etc. That's pretty helpful and quite exhaustive. Let's go ahead and click on the X on the tab to close this window. Let's go to step number 6, record your observations. Again, this is a place for you to take notes. And then number 7, share insights from your study. You can share this word with other users using the share links listed below. That concludes our brief overview of the English word study workflow. Let's go to the top right and click the Close All Panels icon located here.